Why should we try baking now? Hello, my name is Sanshiro, a food aficionado. Why should we start trying baking now? Let me tell you a quick story of me. Actually, I was really into eating sweets and bread from the beginning, and I started going to a culinary school, and at there, I have tried baking my first cake ever in my life, and I found that baking is so fascinating because it can turn some simple ingredients into a wonderful cakes or delicious bread as you wish. It's like using your magic and your hands, your power to turn them into something great. I really love baking from that on, and I start baking my own cakes, my own bread. That's the beginning of my baking. Even though I still struggle to improve my baking skills because sometimes it failed, but I really love the process of learning how to bake because you failed and you learn, but you failed faster, you learn faster, the same as any other aspect in your life. And why should we start baking now? If you didn't try things, don't have bias on it. If you try things, you will know what you will like and what you don't like. Who knows if you would like to be a baker or a patissier in the future. And my advice for you, if you would like to try baking but you don't have tools which are requirement for baking, I would suggest you to find some friends or community that they have the tools for you, and you can go there and have them teach you how to bake. I know every person who loves baking loves to teach their recipe too, because if they can spread that joy to others, that's the most meaningful things they can do. If you like to learn how to bake something easy up to intermediate, you can subscribe and follow my channel, Sanshiro Journal, and I will keep uploading videos of how to bake. And thank you very much for watching this video, and see you in the next video.